So it rained last night. It's Tuesday morning. It rained last night after it didn't rain the rest of the day. But last night it rained pretty good. But it stopped. See? Go. And but now it's drying up and clearing up, but it's still chilly, so it's not drying up so quick. And then there are no clouds over there, but there are clouds like everywhere else. So the sun's coming from there, but there's not a lot of room for it to come out. Hey, boy. Happy New Year. Mary Jane, come here. Come here. Mary Jane, come here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, sit down. Stay right here. Wait. Wait, what did I say? Go. Have a good one. Go. He was zooming. I forgot to fill up the treat pouch here. I've got a bunch of crumbs, and then there's a couple pieces of treats, but I don't have enough for even them, much less to give them out. Oh my gosh, that lady, she said her one little dog died. Oh my gosh. He passed away. Oh my gosh. He was already old and blind. Little poodle type dog, whatever. Little curly-headed poodle-looking dog, whatever. And he was already blind. And old, of course, but oh my gosh, he passed. That's so sad. Hey, big boys. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. We love you. Happy New Year. I know. No. Hey, princess. Hey, princess peeking. She's been wanting treats now, and big chance number 2 there. Hey, babes. Hey, babes. Hey, babes. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Hey, big boy. Where's the little ones at? Where's the Snowball and Fluffy? Here's Mr. Holly. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Where's Miss Daisy at? Where's Miss Daisy? Where's Miss Daisy? Where's Miss Daisy? Good morning. Happy New Year. You say hello to Ollie's mama? And we see this little boy up here. You want a piece? Mary Jane? Mary Jane. You wait. Right there, see it. Ready? Go. This little boy up here. Watch. Oh, he's not there. And here's another crack of the fence. He hears the other dogs barking back there, and then he's already right here. Hey, big boy. I guess because it did rain again good last night, so he's probably inside. I'm just waiting on you chewing your grass. Hey, big boy. So, I thought, just because of how damp have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
And Happy New Year.
Yes, same to you.
Cool. There's Fluffy up there. Go. See Fluffy up there? Here he goes. Yeah. He saw Big Mary Jane. Oh yeah, my thoughts. Yeah, my treats for real now. Hey Fluffy Bubba. Hey Big Bubba. Who's that baby? Come on, Mary Jane. Oh. Hey big boy. You gotta stay, you gotta stay, you gotta stay. You gotta stay. It's okay. Come here. You gotta stay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. You gotta stay. You gotta stay. It's okay. You gotta stay though. You're beautiful, boy. You gotta stay. Go this way. Come on. Yeah, no, follow it. Good girl. Ouch. Good girl. Go get Mary Jane. Go get Sissy. Go get her. So because of how damp the ground still is, and still kind of chilly, that like the other day, it had rained, but it was, hey boy, but it was so warm and everything out. It was like by now it was pretty dry and it's still wet, and the sun is still behind those clouds. So because of that, and again how wet and damp everything still is, the park is, we're just gonna walk around the block and not get to the park, and it sucks. I really hate it because they want to run. But getting out and stretching their legs is better than nothing. Oh, babe. Who's that, Mary Jane? Who's that, baby? It's Caca. Right there, sit. Here. Go. 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 Sit down. Sit down. Dink. Sit down. Good girl. Go. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.